Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Hey, I'm looking at these two renewed Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Both seem pretty decent. What are you prioritizing?
Well, ease of use is big for me, and cleaning. I don't want to spend ages scrubbing.
Okay. The Philips boasts about its LatteGo system being super easy to clean, like 15 seconds, and dishwasher safe. The De'Longhi has a latte crema system with an auto self-cleaning function, so that's convenient too.
Okay. The Philips description mentions a customizer to adjust aroma and volume, and even an extra shot function. Does the De'Longhi have something similar?
It does. The De'Longhi has a 3.5 color touch display, and its Coffee Link app lets you personalize up to 3 recipes. Plus, it has 16 one-touch drink options, which is more than the Philips offers, I think, although the Philips lists 12.
Okay, interesting. What about the grinder? I want something durable.
The Philips has ceramic grinders rated for 20,000 cups, and they're adjustable in 12 steps. The De'Longhi uses a conical burr grinder with 13 settings. So, pretty similar in adjustability.
And what about size? I don't have a ton of counter space.
The De'Longhi is a bit smaller at 13.7 dx 9.3 inches, wx 16.9 inches h, while the Philips is 15 dx 10 wx 17 h. So the De'Longhi might be a better fit if space is tight.
Good to know. One thing that's a little concerning is the availability of the De'Longhi. It says it's currently unavailable.
Yeah, I see that. That's definitely something to consider. If you need something soon, the Philips might be the safer bet, even though it's slightly bigger and maybe a little less feature-packed in terms of preset drinks.
True, and they both have about the same rating, 4.1 stars. It sounds like both are good choices, but maybe the Philips is slightly better in terms of availability and ease of cleaning. Thanks for the breakdown.
No problem. Happy coffee making.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.